What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be looking at some even more proportions. So the first question today is, the scale on the blueprint of a house shows that 1.6 centimeters represents 4 meters. How many centimeters would it take to represent 10 meters on the blueprint? So this one I'm just going to basically do a solving basic. So basically it's 1.6, and 4, because it's this part of the equation, would equal x, which is what we're solving for, and 10. So looking at this, we can still divide and we can make it easier for us. So let's look at 1.6 and 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, right? So 1.6 divided by 4 would be 0.4. So the top would become 0.4 and the bottom would become 1 because we're dividing by 4 here. So now we've got 0.4 multiplied by 10, pretty easy, just 4. So x would equal 4. Easy. So that means that the correct answer is just basically 4. All right, the next question is, Tom is an American who is traveling to Japan, where the currency is called yen. $1 American is worth 120 yen. How many yen can Tom get for $3.50? Quite a bit, I can guess. So looking at this, we can see that we've got $1 American would be 120 yen, equal $3.50 and x yen. So we're solving for this here. And when we look at this like that, that would mean that x just equals 120 multiplied by 3.5. So this equation is pretty simple. And looking at that, you can make this easier for you by moving this 10 over to this side. So that would equal, basically, x would equal 12 multiplied by 35. And 12 multiplied by 35, you can use the distributive property to solve. This is where the properties actually come in handy. And we can split apart 35 here because many more people are fluent in their 12s than people who are fluent in their 35s. So we can split apart 35, so it would basically be 12 multiplied by 30 plus 12 multiplied by 5. So this is the final equation. And now looking at this, we've got 360 plus 60. And that is our final equation, which also equals 420. So the correct answer is 420. Let me just erase all of this. Right, 420. All right, our last question today is, on a certain day, it rained at a constant of 2.4 inches every 6 hours. How many inches did it rain in 9 hours? So this one somewhat has the same thing as the first one, whereas we look at 2.4 and 6 would equal x and 9. That is actually a lot of rain. So that would basically be 2.4 divided by 6, which we all know is 0.4, and the bottom is also divided by 6. So x would equal 9 multiplied by 0.4. And we all know that 9 times 4 is 36. So 9 times 0.4 would equal 3.6. So that means the correct answer is 3.6. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I also hope you guys learned something from it. And I'll see you guys from the next one. Bye! This is my lousy attempt at a blueprint.